Hello, I am Stephen James. My daughter Kezia is currently pursuing her final year in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in St. Joseph Institute of Technology. After her schooling, we made our best choice to enroll her in this reputed and renowned institution. Many club activities and symposium events that she took part in, both in and out of the college, and a feather to her cap. The institution also gave numerous opportunities to bring the best abilities out of her. The placement and training cell also have done the good job and equipped her to secure an offer in the multinational company Infosys as a program analyst. I wish my daughter's alma mater many years of academic excellence. Thank you.
Hi, I am Usha Nandini, mother of Rakshana, who is pursuing her 4th year ECE at St. Joseph Institute of Technology, Chennai. This institute has molded her in a perfect manner by inculcating self-discipline, active participation in extracurricular activities, studies, and paper presentation in inter-college seminars and workshops. They make each student to identify their potential and help them to build a strong and positive interpersonal skills. Above all, St. Joseph's are very much particular in giving best placement trainings and having concerns in making each student getting placed with best offer. I am very much contented that my daughter pursued her engineering degree in this college and had a great exposure.
Hi, this is Venkateshan, father of Gautam. My son is studying in St. Joseph Institute of Technology. He is doing electronics and communication engineering. When I looking for admission for my son for engineering, I did a lot of research and found St. Joseph is one of the good institute, and I wanted to admit my son, considering many other advantages, because it provides a very good campus and provides very good disciplined environment for the students to study, and also it has very good facilities for electronics and communication, good lab, good lecturers, and all other infrastructures. And also one other thing to say is they provide a very good placement training, and also they provide support for students to in many areas like communication, programming, whatever aspect you think, all these are available in this college. I am really thankful to the HOD and the management for giving a wonderful career to my son, and it is great to study in St. Joseph Institute of Technology. Thanks.
St. Joseph's Institute of Technology. This is where my little brother Krishna blossomed into a full-fledged person. A transformation from a happy-go-lucky person into a focused individual happened in this campus. As parents, we are proud to see the laurels she gathered over the period of 4 years. The various workshops conducted helped her in conquering the stage fear and became calm and composed before the interview board. She had been successful in a number of campus interviews, for which she owed a lot to the guidance she received from the faculty and placement cell. Last but not the least, I would like to add the efforts taken by the HOD, Dr. Gana Kaushalya, and the faculty of ECE department to bring out the scientific talents of the students by conducting numerous seminars on the subject, by inviting eminent external scholars in this field, and by floating number of competitions within the department. The students were able to make their knowledge base stronger and sharpen their skills because of these competitions.
I am Newman Fernando, Danny Solomon's father. My son is studying in ECE 4th year, and he is in St. Joseph Institute of Technology. And I am very happy with the college and the environment they have provided, because from the beginning they were giving training as communication training, as well as they were helping the students study well in their exams. for their exams, and there were so many activities. Good lab facilities were provided by the college, and also good academic professors were available who helped him to come up in college life, as well as there were social activities such as taking them to orphanages and so on, which helped them also understand life as such. And in the 4th year they had placement programs which helped them to understand how they can attend interview, and which helped them also to get in many companies. And I'm very happy and thankful to the college principals, professors and the faculties, because they have made it a success in my son's career. So I hope and wish all the best to the institution, and they can come up with a colorful way. Thank you.
நான் புஷ்பலதா, சிவசன் கோச்சுடைய அம்மா. என் பையன் சென்ட் ஜோசப் இன்ஸ்டியூட் ஆஃப் டெக்னாலஜியில் 3rd இயர் ஈஸி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். அவன் +2 முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் நாங்கள் நிறைய காலேஜ் சர்ச் பண்ணோம். அப்போ நிறைய பேர் வந்து சென்ட் ஜோசப்ஸ் நல்லா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஓகேன்னு நாங்கள் காலேஜ் ஒர்க்காக விசிட் பண்ண போனோம். போனதுக்கப்புறம் அங்கே வந்து அந்த காலேஜோட இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர், லேப் எல்லாமே எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ப்ரொஃபஸர்ஸ் எல்லாமே நல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக மூவ் பண்ணுவாங்க பசங்கிட்ட அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னாங்க. ஓகே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நாங்கள் அங்கேயே அவனை என் பையனை ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டோம். இந்த லாக்டவுன் பீரியடில் கூட பாருங்கள், நல்ல பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ட்ரைனிங், அப்புறம் டெய்லி அசஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க, நிறைய கோச்சிங்லாம் நிறைய கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க. ஒரு ரீசெண்டாக கூட ஒரு மாக் இன்டர்வியூ நடந்துச்சு. அந்த மாக் இன்டர்வியூவில் ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் அந்த பசங்க என்ன மைனஸ் என்ன ப்ளஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தனியாக அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஃபீட்பேக் கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க. அது ரொம்ப எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப அவங்களுக்கு நல்ல யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக தான் இருக்கும். அவங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவலில் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அவங்க வந்து இந்த லாக்டவுன் பீரியடில் வேஸ்டே பண்ணலை. நல்ல டெய்லி அவங்க யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக தான் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த காலேஜில் வந்து அவங்க கைடன்ஸ் பண்ணி